Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new tutorials, and today I won't show you the Photoshop tutorials. Actually this one about the image background removing tutorials. So in this photo you are getting here too much busy background, which is really quite tough to reduce the background like that, but we done this one like accordingly, which is really cool. And if you give any kind of color over here, suppose taking the solid color, suppose taking red, it's nice to like that, just because of here is the blurry portions, but we are getting pretty much nice over here. If I use this type of dark or light background, whatever we can use over here, and we are getting done this one pretty much easily, and which is the easiest way I ever found in this 2021. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notification. I'll show you this one detail and this one really life-saving hacks. Okay, I'm going to the over here, this portion, that means in any kind of browser, and here the image ai.imageremove. I'll provide you that download link in my video description. Don't forget to log in by using your email IDs and other stuffs. From here you are getting here 6 types of service of them: all image enlargers and AI image sharpener, denoiser, that means you can reduce the noise, here the image enhancer, face retoucher, whatever it is, but I'm using here the background remover. So if you press this one, it will open up in new window, and just drop your photo. This one was my photo, and just giving over here and start this one. It will take less than 1 minute actually. After getting that, it will processing this one, and after processing that, it will provide you. If you press the download, you're getting the image, which is the PNG, that means the transparent background. You can put this image anywhere. Suppose saving this up and giving any other names, removed BG, actually BG, and saving this one into another way, and going to the Photoshop and going to the file and taking new options, any kind of size. We can take 6000 by 6000 and having some colors, going to the solid options, taking this type of colors, and going to the file and place embedded options. From there I can just produce this. Okay, you can change the color. Suppose the dark type color is nice, the bright type colors, that's nice. You can match with this. So let's try this one. Too much busy background, let's try. So going to another window and going to a stock image site, which is unsplash.com. so going to unsplash.com and writing something like here, girl. So after writing the girl, we should take more busy background or like a far background, and let's see the result. So this one is good. This one is easier to get. So this one is hard, and this one is also, we should choose this one just because of here is some scattered here, and we will be hicked up to reduce this type of background. So taking this one, that means downloading this one, so saving this. After saving that, going to here, going to this portion and uploading that. After uploading that, start this one. It will take a couple of minutes or less than 1 minute actually. Trust me, it's too much faster than any kind of things, and it will help you out to make your life easier. So after that, it's loading it up. Let's see what will be the result provided by this online image processing website. They failed actually. They just given this one actually this portion left to remove the background, just because of the base of the sitting position. That's why saving this one into my directory and going to the Photoshop and deleting this one, going to the file and going to the place embedded options. From here, adding the PNG over here. So nicely done actually. In less than 1 minute you can't remove the hair or remove the things like that. You have to use the pen tool, you have to wait, and you have to just operate the mouse accordingly how to do that. Those who are not like expert into the pen tool, they won't use that. That is the patient work actually. So I would suggest you to use these tools just because of life-saving hacks, but not always. If you have the issue to make this one more polished, I'll suggest you to use the Photoshop Paint tool. So pen tools is the ultimate solution, but I would like to prefer this one. If you have the earlier timeline to give this one as a output, you can use that. And in a manipulation time, we need a random background remover, the PNG images you can produce by using these tools. So hope that you will use this, and hope that you'll be benefited by using these techniques. Until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, and keep me in your prayers as well. Stay healthy and happy. Until the next video, bye bye.